Minsan ang hirap mag-move on forward because we keep carrying old things, old mistakes, old failures, old disappointments, old doubts, old version of ourselves na hindi naman dapat natin bitbitin. And sometimes, even when God is opening a new door, we still define ourselves by what happened before. Pero your past does not get the final vote in your future. You are allowed to grow. You are allowed to change. You are allowed to heal. You are allowed to become a better version of yourself. Sabi sa Isaiah 43:18-19, forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. That verse is a reminder na God is not limited by what happened before. He can still do something new in your life. So, release the weight of who you used to be. Release the shame. Release the labels. Release the mindset that says you cannot change. You are not stuck. You are growing. You are learning. And God is still working in your story.